And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how works these great BMW's two horns. And there is really in BMW cars we have two horns in this car's front area. An idea is that first front is like low sound basso horn. It is like that one. And then the second one, this is then high frequency, this high volume, this horn. And that means that both of these keeps similar sound volume, but the sound frequency is different. That one makes like low, and then this is like high sound. Okay, and let's listen. And first we test that low sound, and I have in here this my car battery in here. And please use protective this protector, hearing protector, because this volume is so high. Okay, and let's test first this basso like low frequency thing. Okay, that one. This is now we have basso, and then let's listen what is this sound. Okay, very nice sound. And then we test this high frequency, like high frequency sound. And let's listen, it is different. Okay, good.